Up on the bench today is our 1998 NP243C. This was on the back of our 1998 4L80. So we've got a 32 spline input, and we're going to take it apart today. As you know, that 4L80 had some water. It sat in water, and so I would assume this did as well. We're going to see if the seals held or if any got in, and we'll get started here. So we got our tail housing, which looks to be ground down, or something was spinning or hitting it, or was vibrating against something. But we're going to start by taking that off. That's 4 15 mils. Off she comes. We got our snap ring for our rear bearing support. This retains our bearing into the housing. Now we'll come at it with a 13 mil and we'll get our rear bearing support housing off. There's also the housing for our rear speed sensor and tone ring. Now she comes. The snap rings that hold our tone ring on. It's got the same quality fluid as the 4L80 did. It's got some particles in it, but it's hard to tell whether or not that's dirt. Slide off our tone ring and our other snap ring. Now we'll get our 15 mil back on, and we'll take our case bolts out. Then we pop our case halves apart. Okay, got our pump and our pickup out. Got our 1 1/8" socket. Pull off our yoke and work our 2 shafts out. Just like that. Then we'll clean up our fluid. Let's get our shift motor off. And that is 3 10 mils. There, now we can pull our shift motor off. While we got it up like this, let's come in here with our 22 and get the cap for our detent off. Now we can pull out our shift collar. We'll pull out our 4 low. There's our ratchet. Got 4 more 10 mils up here for our front seal. There we go. Someone's been in here and doubled up on the silicone. Now we've got our snap ring that holds our planetary in. So we're going to try and pull this off with a hand on the back. There we go. There's no water inside our case, all our seals held up. So let's go over our parts. We have our front half of the case, our rear half of the case, our tail housing, which is damaged, our rear bearing support, the tone ring, and the snap rings for it. We have our case hardware, our internal pump, our chain, our front output yoke, our front output shaft and sprocket, our main shaft, our 4-wheel drive low engagement collar, our 4-wheel drive high engagement collar, the rest of our shift mechanism, our front output seal, and our 32 spline input planetary. Just want to take a second to thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and leave us a like and a subscribe. It helps our channel grow. And we post pretty regularly. If you're interested in any of the salvageable parts, you can find them on our eBay. Links below. Thank you once more for watching. I'll see you in the next one.